Hello, Chef Simon Maple here for Lincoln. I'm here today to discuss the daily and monthly cleaning for the Aperion 2424. So first and foremost, every day, several things should be done. Take a heat-resistant nylon brush and rub it across the belt in order to clean any particulates that have been stuck on there. You can also use a towel, if you will. The one thing I want you to never use is something like this. The metal can actually hook on to the belt and unravel it. So make sure that you never use anything like this. Also, we're going to pull these pans out. You can just wash them out, or they can go to the dish area depending upon what you want to do with them. Now we're going to discuss the monthly cleaning, weekly or monthly, depending upon what you're cooking in there. So first of all, we're going to open the door. Then we're easily going to remove the door. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the belt straight out. As you can see, this is a one-man job. Pull the centerpiece out. First, we're going to remove the top fingers easily. Then we're going to repeat that process on the bottom fingers. Now the fingers, if they're dirty, they can go to the dish area, or you can have them washed by hand. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to wipe out the bottom of this, the sides, and the top if there's any particulars in here. Try not to use caustic chemicals, just soap and water and a rag, please. Nothing to scrape. We don't want to scratch the bottom. And then once the oven is clean, it just easily goes back together. And that is the daily and monthly cleaning of the Aperion 2424. Thank you.